Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the pTron Tangentbeat Hi-Fi Sports Wireless Neckband Earphones. Now on the front side of the packaging, we can see what the neckband earphones look like. And there's mention of a twist and flex design. This is primarily to do with the flexibility of the neckband. There's just the brand name, model name on the right hand side, same on the left, nothing on the bottom, nothing on the top. So we come to the back side where we can see the specifications. So it uses Bluetooth, obviously. They've not mentioned the version, but transmission distance is up to 10 meters. The driver size in either earphone happens to be 10 millimeters. Frequency response is between 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. Impedance is 32 ohms. Mic sensitivity is minus 42 decibels with a tolerance of 3. Battery capacity is 120 milliamp hours. It uses a LiPo battery, and charging input is DC 5 volts 1 ampere. Playtime is 8 hours, talk time is 7 hours, standby time is 100 hours, and charging is 1.5 hours. Aside from that, you can see some of the features that this thing has. You've got hi-fi stereo based sound. It is super flexible. It uses the A2DP protocol. You can make hands-free calls. It features an ergonomic design. The earbuds are magnetized, so you can lock them together. And it's also rated to be sweat and dust proof. Then you've got the manufacturer's contact information on the bottom left, along with the BIS mark on the bottom right. And that's it for the information on the packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox it. First is your warranty card, along with a note of thanks. So you've got this little QR code which you can scan to register the product for warranty. Then you've got the user manual. Always read through the user manual to understand exactly how to operate the device. So you have additional ear tips. These are in small and large size. The medium ones come pre-installed on the earbuds. Then there's the charging cable. The cable length is about 25 to 30 centimeters. It uses a micro USB interface on one side and a USB Type-A interface on the other. And finally, we have the neckband earphones. So it is very flexible, primarily due to the nature of the form factor. And on the right hand side, you've got the control pod. So first is a little opening with the micro USB interface on the inside. You've got a rubberized latch or covering to secure it. Then there are 3 buttons on the front surface. First being for increasing the volume. The middle button is for powering the device on, answering calls or cutting calls. And then you have the volume reduction button. There's also a little opening over here, which is usually for the microphone as well as for the indicator LED. Then you've got the earphones. They come with a magnetized back, so this makes it quite convenient to stow away. That's it for the unboxing of the pTron Tangentbeat Hi-Fi Sports Wireless Neckband. Thank you for watching.